Ever felt like you're spinning your wheels trying to build an online business? You've got the passion, the drive, maybe even a killer product idea. But where do you even start finding reliable suppliers? You've scoured Google, spent hours on forums, and still you're left with more questions than answers. You're wondering, is this supplier legit? Or am I getting ripped off with these prices? You're dreaming of a streamlined process, a trusted source, a shortcut to finding the perfect partners to bring your vision to life. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The world of e-commerce, while brimming with opportunity, can be a minefield of unknowns. Think of it like trying to build a house without a blueprint or a reliable construction crew. You've got the land, you've got the materials, but without a solid plan and trustworthy partners, it's just a pile of bricks and timber. And that's where many stumble. The allure of online sales is undeniable, but the reality of sourcing products, managing inventory, and finding dependable suppliers can quickly turn that dream into a frustrating ordeal. You've probably heard horror stories of counterfeit goods, unreliable shipping, and suppliers who vanish into thin air, leaving you holding the bag. We're not talking about just any online business here. We're talking about building something sustainable, something that generates real income, something that allows you to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. But to do that, you need a foundation, a reliable platform, a resource that cuts through the noise and provides you with the tools you need to succeed. So, let's get to the core question. What if there was a platform designed to take the guesswork out of finding suppliers? What if there was a tool that could help you source high-quality products, identify profitable niches, and connect with trusted manufacturers and wholesalers? Introducing SaleHoo. That tool, my friends, is SaleHoo. Now, you might be thinking, another online directory? What makes this one different? And that's a fair question. The internet is flooded with online directories, but many are outdated, unreliable, or simply glorified lists of random websites. SaleHoo, on the other hand, is a curated platform, a community, a comprehensive resource designed specifically for online sellers. At its core, SaleHoo is a powerful directory of over 8,000 verified suppliers. But it's much more than just a list. It's a gateway to a network of manufacturers, wholesalers, dropshippers, and liquidators, all vetted and verified to ensure they meet SaleHoo's strict quality standards. Think of it as your personal Rolodex to the world of reliable suppliers. No more endless Google searches. No more sifting through questionable websites. SaleHoo does the legwork for you, providing you with a centralized hub of trusted partners. Key features and benefits. But what does that actually mean for you, the aspiring or established online seller? Let's break down the key features and benefits. Verified suppliers. This is the cornerstone of SaleHoo. Every supplier listed on the platform has been thoroughly vetted and verified, ensuring they are legitimate, reliable, and offer high-quality products. This eliminates the risk of dealing with scammers or unreliable suppliers, giving you peace of mind and protecting your business. Comprehensive directory. With over 8,000 suppliers, SaleHoo offers a vast selection of products across a wide range of niches. Whether you're interested in clothing, electronics, home goods, or anything in between, you're sure to find suppliers that meet your needs. Market research tools. SaleHoo provides powerful market research tools that help you identify profitable niches and trending products. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions about what to sell, maximizing your chances of success. Training and support. SaleHoo offers a wealth of training resources, including guides, videos, and webinars, to help you navigate the world of e-commerce. They also provide excellent customer support, ensuring you have the assistance you need every step of the way. Dropshipping capabilities. For those interested in dropshipping, SaleHoo provides access to a network of dropshipping suppliers, allowing you to sell products without holding inventory. This eliminates the need for upfront investment in stock, making it an ideal option for beginners. Competitive pricing. SaleHoo helps you find suppliers that offer competitive pricing, allowing you to maximize your profit margins. They provide access to wholesale prices, giving you a significant advantage over retail customers. Community forum. SaleHoo fosters a vibrant community of online sellers, providing a platform for you to connect with other entrepreneurs, share ideas, and learn from each other's experiences. So, who exactly can benefit from using SaleHoo? Beginners. If you're new to e-commerce, SaleHoo provides a structured and supportive environment to learn the ropes. The platform's training resources and verified supplier directory make it easy to get started. Experienced sellers. Even if you're an experienced online seller, SaleHoo can help you expand your product offerings, find new suppliers, and identify profitable niches. The platform's market research tools and comprehensive directory can give you a competitive edge. Dropshippers. SaleHoo is an excellent resource for dropshippers, providing access to a network of reliable dropshipping suppliers. The platform simplifies the process of finding and working with dropshippers. E-commerce entrepreneurs. Anyone looking to build a successful online business can benefit from SaleHoo's resources and tools. The platform provides everything you need to source products, find suppliers, and grow your business. People who want to sell on Amazon, eBay, or their own online store. SaleHoo can provide supplier information for any online platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.